My first impression of the Lumitec Zambezi underwater lights was, where has this product been? Nobody has produced a underwater light system specifically for pontoons. The Zambezi line, having the harness come out of the top of the light and being a surface mount light, makes it so much easier. Cuts the install time down by half. The quality of the Lumitec product is second to none. The material that the product is made out of feels nearly bulletproof in your hands. Lumitec lights are by far the easiest underwater and marine lighting systems that I've ever installed. To me, being able to represent, sell, and install a reliable product is unquestionably probably one of the most important things that I can do as a business owner. I've driven 1, 2, 3 hours to do lighting jobs on boats, to know that when I install that product, that I'm not going to get a call later the first time or the second time that boat gets in the water with issues is definitely a relief, and it's definitely something I know that I will get with Lumitec lighting.